Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out which folder is taking more drive space in Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application named as Wish3, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see below download, just click on download. Now you can see on the above download installer and download portable. So if you don't feel like installing this software on your respective disk drive, then you can download a portable version which can be run without installation, and if you want a installer then you can download this one. So I will download a portable one. So wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double left click it to extract this zip file. So just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here two files. You can click either of this Wish3, which is a 32-bit, so Wish364, which is a 64-bit, so Wish364, which is a 64-bit. Just double left click on it. So now you can see this kind of visual interface, right? On the above you can see your local disk. So if you click on this down arrow, you will see different drive partitions. So like right now I have two drives, C drive and D drive. So firstly select your respective drive. So let me select a C drive right now, and you can see on the right side scan. Just click on scan, wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see all the folders that are being present on the local disk, that is the C drive. So you can see the first folder named as Windows is taking the maximum drive space. So you can see here it's taking 32% compared to other folders on my local C drive. So you can see in the right tab the type of file types. So you can see the extension, different type of file types that are present on the local disk C drive. So you can do the same thing with the D drive also. So just click on this down arrow and select the D drive, and now you can see in case of my D drive, you can see the backup folder is taking the maximum drive space. So you can see it's taking almost more than half percentage of my local disk D drive. So you can see on the right side the type of files that are being present on the respective D drive. So if you want to save this files or the file types, then you can just go to this file and you will see here export to CSV file if you want to save this folder names or locations, and if you want to save this extension or the file types, then there is one more option, export file types to CSV. So let me export this file types. Firstly, let me select the desktop. Let me click on save, wait for a few seconds. So you can see export completed. Click on OK. Now you can click on it, which will get open on the Excel software. So you can see all the data, that is the file types and total number of files with their respective extensions will be copied here. And similarly you can do the same thing if you want to save this folder names or the which folder or further this. If you want to save this, then just go back to the file and click on this export to CSV file. Click on save. Now this details will also get saved, so you can just click on here. So you can see here the complete folder locations and total number of files and percentage are being copied here. So in my opinion, it's a very useful software which will let you find out which folder is taking more drive space in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.